No sound during screen share? Don't worry, fixing it is easier than you think. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to fix Discord screen sharing audio not working. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, launch the Discord on your device. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner and click on the settings icon to open the user settings. In the user settings, scroll to the support center under the app settings and tap on the support to access the help option. On the support page, tap the drop down arrow and select help and support to open the support center. Now enter the email that is linked with your Discord account and choose a category. Also select the issue you are facing and then select the platform. Then write a clear subject in the box. After writing the subject, finally clearly explain your problem in the description box. You can also attach files, screenshot or recording of the issue in the attachment option. Review your entries to ensure they are complete and accurate. Finally, tap the submit and wait for the confirmation email with your ticket number. So this is how to fix Discord screen share and audio not working. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.